Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to our day 7 of our US trip. And I'm about to leave my hotel now, and tapos na rin ako mag-pack, and I'm all set. Although medyo stressful lang sa pag-impake because I went over a little with my limit sa aking check-in baggage. So my check-in baggage allowance is only 23 kilograms or 50 pounds, and I went to about 23.50 kilograms. So I'm hoping na pagbigyan ako ng airlines. I'll be flying with Delta Airlines, so hopefully pagbigyan nila yung konting sobra, but in case hindi, I'm ready to move things around. Like siguro kukunin ko na lang yung denim jacket since I think isa yun sa nagpapabigat. But yeah, I'm ready to leave. It's currently 9 a.m. only and my checkout is 11 a.m. So hindi pa ako muna lalabas. Tapos after ko mag-checkout, magko-coffee muna ako dun sa Witches, yung favorite kong coffee shop dito na malapit. And then I decided to take the Metro Rail train, tapos mag-bus na lang papuntang airport because I feel like I'll be fine. Sana. But I feel like I'll be fine naman. So, yun yung plan ko for today. And before I leave here, let me tour you one more time dito sa aking hotel. So, ayan. So, I have a chair here, a side table, and then my bed. And then, ito na yung aking luggage and backpack, and then here's my table, another table here, and then my water, tapos the TV na never ko binuksan, and then another table, ref, and then ito mga sabitan, tapos yung entrance door. So on this side is my bathroom. Super nice ng hotel na to, and I like the fact that every day they actually fix my bed and tapos replace yung mga towel. Or I'm not sure if feeling ko nire-replace nila kasi pag ginagamit ko siya, sinasabit ko dito. Tapos syempre basa. So pag dumarating ako sa gabi, may towels na dito ulit na bago. I think bago naman sila kasi hindi naman sila basa or anything. But hello, we're leaving. But yun. Tapos from the entrance door, ayan ulit, my bed. And then we have one window here. So yun lang muna guys. One final look at my sana bukas yung ano, I think bukas naman. Hey guys, so I am finally here in New York after a long day of travel since yesterday. I have finally arrived here and it's only currently almost 10 a.m. pa lang. And nag-early check-in na ako dito sa hotel ko. Ang check-in time nila is 3 p.m. pero since it's still too early, nag-early check-in ako and just paid $65 because I'm so tired and I just really wanna have a good rest and gusto ko ng alam mo yun, makapagpahinga and makapag-relax. Pero ngayon, lalabas muna ako saglit. Gusto ko nga sanang matulog muna. But then, wala man lang akong tubig dito, wala akong anything, and I haven't eaten yet. So, I'm just gonna go out and see kung anong pwede kong bilhin sa labas or punta ng convenience store kung may malapit. Sana mayroong malapit. I haven't really checked the place yet sa Google, so I'm just gonna try to go around ngayon. Pero papahinga lang ako saglit. But yeah, I'm at my hotel now. And maliit lang siya actually. Mas maliit siya compared sa hotel ko sa LA. Pero kasi naman New York is much more expensive din. So, let me tour you around sa aking hotel. So, ayan lang siya guys. Pagpasok mo sa door, it's my closet, mini closet. And then yan agad yung CR. Tapos, that's my bed. And then, ayun na. Yan na yung lahat. Diba? Sobrang liit lang compared sa LA hotel ko na pwede pa akong tumambling-tumbling. But yeah, this is the cheapest I could find. And okay na din naman to. At least malapit sa train station. So, madali lang naman maggala-gala. And I think medyo malayo to from like the main center ng New York. Pero since malapit naman tayo sa train, I think madali lang naman tayong makakagala. And unlike LA, I think for New York subway, mas efficient. And in a way, feeling ko mas medyo safe since mas madaming gumagamit ng subway dito as compared sa LA. Pero syempre may mga kailangan pa rin mag-ingat dito. And especially, wag magpapagabi na gagamit ng subway. Pero yun lang muna guys. Sorry ang hina ng boses ko. But yeah, cause sobrang maririnig ka from the outside. So yun lang. I'll see you guys later.
A few moments later.
Hey guys. So it's currently 2 p.m. already and kakagising ko lang. So I'm just getting ready now to go out. And yan lang, maggala-gala lang dyan sa nearby. And syempre kumain na din. So imagine if hindi ako nag-early check-in up until now, sana hindi pa rin ako nasa lobby pa rin ako nag-aantay. But at least na nakapagpahinga na ako. Yung sabi ko kanina, nalalabas ako saglit to buy food and water. Well, hindi ko na nagawa kasi antok na ako. So natulog na lang ako. So almost 4 hours din yung tulog natin. But hopefully it won't affect my sleep tonight para makatulog pa rin ako. And yun, so nagsa-sunscreen lang ako. Napansin ko guys, ewan ko kung nasa sunburn ata. Kasi yung ilong ko, ba't may ganyan? Nagsa-sunscreen naman ako. Ang prone ko talaga sa sunburn pag nasa ibang lugar ako na tapos maaraw, yung kahit malamig pa as long as maaraw. and laging sa mukha. Pero parang ngayon sa ilong lang, ayun, bakit maitim siya or dark. Pero yan na natin. So yun lang guys. I'll see you guys later paglabas. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Hi guys, so I'm back at my hotel now and it's currently 4 p.m. So I think I'm good for the day as far as yung paglalakad sa neighborhood. And I also bought my early dinner already since I haven't really eaten today. So here's what I bought. So it's a shrimp bowl, tapos may nadaanan akong Gongcha, so bumili ako ng milk tea, and then ito na yung water na binili ko. And nasa ano ulit ako, parang Asian community, kasi puro halos mga Chinese and Koreans yung karamihan dito, which I'm happy about kasi ang daming restaurants na pwede kong kainan na at least masasatisfy ako. So ayun, so for now, let's go ahead and eat because I'm so hungry. Yung neighborhood ko dito, ibang-iba sa neighborhood ko sa LA. Kasi sa LA, di ba, sobrang konti ng tao doon sa pinagsayan ko. Dito naman, paglabas ko kanina, nagulat ako, ang daming tao. So, ayun, wow. So, this is a rice bowl. So, meron siyang shrimp. Tapos may rice, obviously. Tapos may corn din. Let's do this. Hap naman. Medyo napatamisan lang. Gong chujang pala to. Kasi Korean, parang Korean restaurant ulit siya. Sarap. Bumili rin pala ako guys na tinapay kasi may nadaanan akong bread shop. So I bought this matcha bread tsaka banana bread. Taste it. And okay lang. Hindi ko masyadong bet to. Sobrang nabusog ako. Akala ko konti lang yung rice bowl, pero ang dami niya pala. And may mga rice cake siya. Siguro pang padami din. Pero ang dami rin naman ng shrimp. So, okay na din. Pero I'm quite full. Ang bagang tikman ko. And wala akong fridge dito sa ano ko guys, dito sa hotel ko. Mas maayos talaga yung sa LA, but at the same time kasi it's more expensive here. And it's even more expensive if doon ka sa may center, city center. And then pala, I already bought my Metro card, their MTA card. So this is $34, tapos $1 fee for the card. And so 35 USD siya. So this is actually unlimited ride na. of the subway for 7 days. So it's $34 or $35 kasama yung fee nitong card. And actually medyo hindi siya maganda kasi para lang siyang ano ang tawag sa ganito? Yung papel or folder. Parang ganun yung consistency niya. Folder yung consistency niya. Hindi katulad ng regular na card na yung plastic. So this one is folder lang. Pero okay na din kasi nga for 7 days lang. And based on my research before ako pumunta dito, alam ko meron ding fare capping dito sa New York, and same lang sila with LA na if you reach $18 for 1 week, it's gonna be free na for the rest of the week or for the rest of the 7-day period. Pero hindi ko na sure kasi nun nga, ganun dapat yung gagawin ko, pero nun nga pumipili na ako kanina dun sa machine, I saw na may unlimited option. So meron nga unlimited for 1 month, and that's about $130 ata yung unlimited. And naisip ko, so una, ang dapat kong bibilihin is yung regular Metro card lang na reloadable. Pero naisip ko, if may fare capping sila, bakit meron pang unlimited option na card? So yun lang. Pero I'm not sure kung tama ba yung intindi ko. Pero para sure na lang na kahit saan ako pumunta through the subway, hindi ko na poproblemahin na maubusan ako ng load. So, nag-decline pa yung card ko kanina, kaloka. So, I had to use another card. So, yun lang muna guys. And still have my drinks. Hey guys! So, I'm done taking a bath. And nakapag-skincare na rin ako, and I'm so ready to rest. Pero syempre mag-edit pa rin ako ng mga pictures to post. But yun, I'm ending my vlog here for today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow sa ating day 2 ng ating New York trip. So I hope you guys will keep on watching. And yun lang. Thank you guys for joining me today. Bye guys.